Welcome to our English Martyrs Newsround and our summertime roundup. Lots to talk about today, including a recent visit by the Catholic social teaching theatre company, RISE, Refugee Week and Windrush Day, Assessment Week, Year 4 Zoo Trip, Sports Day and Year 6 leavers. Let's get started and go over to our reporters who will give us the updates.
Last week, English Martyrs Primary was visited by the Catholic social teaching theatre company, RISE. RISE Theatre is a professional Christian theatre company based in Reading, UK, that tours nationally to schools, churches and communities. They specialise in interactive performances, workshops and retreat days rooted in Christian values and Catholic social teaching, CST. We would like to take this opportunity to thank the RISE Theatre for coming to see us to perform and work with us. It was a real pleasure and we all look forward to seeing you again here soon. This month, English Martyrs Primary School has been celebrating the invaluable contributions made to our country by migrants and refugees. Contributions such as culture, language, food, art and much more. We started our journey celebrating Refugee Week. Refugee Week is the world's largest arts and culture festival, celebrating the contributions, creativity and resilience of refugees and people seeking sanctuary. We also observed the anniversary of Windrush Day, a nationwide movement to honor the lasting contributions and cultural legacy of migrants who helped shape post-war Britain. With particular recognition of the African Caribbean passengers who arrived aboard the HMT Empire Windrush in 1948, now known as the Windrush generation. It was a fun-filled day of dance, singing, cultural arts and more.
Last week, all children took part in Assessment Week. Throughout the week, children sat in a series of papers to outline their progress in subjects, including maths, writing, spelling and grammar. And reading results of Assessment Week will be sent to parents within the end of the year's report. So please look out for those coming weeks.
Last week, our Year 4 children were fortunate enough to visit the world-famous London Zoo. London Zoo is the world's oldest scientific zoo, housing over 8,000 animals from more than 300 species. Located at the northern edge of Regent's Park in central London, this iconic attraction is run by the Zoological Society of London to advance conservation, research and education, promoting the study of natural history. The children thoroughly enjoyed the experience. As for some, this was their first time visiting the iconic venue.
On Wednesday, 8th of July, English Martyrs Primary will be hosting its annual Summer Sports Day at Burgess Park. The sporting event will take place in 2 sessions. The morning session will be for children from Year 1, 2 and 3. The afternoon session will be for children from Years 4, 5 and 6. Parents are, of course, invited to come along and support their children, so do join us on the day. The children will be very happy to see you on the sidelines cheering them on.
And finally, on Thursday, the 16th July, we will be saying our final goodbye to our amazing Year 6 children in an assembly taking place both at 9:30 a.m. and then again at 2:15 p.m.
Parents, we look forward to seeing you all support your Year 6 child as they say their farewell to English Martyrs Primary School and start their secondary school journey. You are welcome to join us at either the morning or afternoon assembly.
Church leaver service will take place on Friday, 17th July.
1,
Well, that's all we have time for today. Lots of important dates, to be sure to get those dates and times in your diary. We hope that you have enjoyed our news round, and we look forward to seeing you all again for our next roundup. Have a great summer. Bye for now.